traders. Welcome to this video on the Valid Pullback Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This trend-aware tool is designed to highlight healthy pullbacks within an existing trend and filter out moves that are more likely to be full reversals, so you can time entries with better reward to risk ratio. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now, the valid pullback indicator marks qualifying pullbacks directly on the price chart, typically with arrows, colored bars, or shaded zones, in our case rectangles, numbered rectangles, only when they occur within a confirmed trend and meet its depth and momentum conditions. In an uptrend, highlighted pullbacks show temporary dips that still respect higher low structure and trend strength, implying a potential opportunity to buy at a discount. You can see here a pullback followed by uptrend, a pullback followed by downtrend. And as you can see on the chart, the downtrend highlighted was a show temporary bounce that still form lower highs, implying potential sell-on rally opportunities. Pullbacks that do not meet its criteria are ignored, visually separating tradable retracements from moves more likely to morph into reversals. Let's move over to the settings. We have his fast period, the type of price to calculate fast, a method for smoothing a fast, a period of slow, and similar stuff. Then we have number of bars to determine, among other settings. Then you can adjust these parameters to suit your trading style, and increase or reduce the period depending on what suits your strategy the most. Now, who is it for? The valid pullback indicator is well suited to swing traders, day traders, and trend followers who build their strategies around entering on retracements rather than breakouts. It's a trend based lagging tool, so signals arrive after confirmation and may be fewer in a ranging market. Incorrect settings can either overfilter opportunities or allow too many marginal setups. The Forex geek emphasized using it with market structure, support resistance, and sentiment, as well as backtesting and risk management, rather than treating it as a standalone entry engine. The download links for MT4 and MT5 are in the description below. You can read the full valid pullback indicator guide, including how it works, example workflows, advantages, limitations, and integration tips at the Forex Gig. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.